investigating Riemann sums and just reminding everybody that there are going to be these easy questions and we have to recognize them when we see them. So here is one right here. It says that we're asked to evaluate the definite integral from -2 to 2 of the square root of 4 minus x squared dx. Now, it helps if you can visualize this in your head, and if you can't, it will come to you. This actually gets easier and easier how this works out, but what we're asked to do is find this, and this is actually pretty cool, I think, right? This is just a semicircle, isn't it? And let's pretend it's a perfect semicircle, and it has a radius of 2, right? So wouldn't it look like this? This would be -2 right here, and this would be +2. We know that the area of a circle, so the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, isn't that right? So if this is pi r squared, then if this whole circle would be pi r squared, then half of it would be, well, frankly, well, I don't know, half of it. So now we start to realize this is what we want. We want the area right in here. We want all this area here. So how do we get that? Well, we could start to calculate the definite integral, and we could do that through integration. But if we got lucky, if we got smart, we'd say, you know what? I don't need to use calculus here, therefore I will not. And instead, I'm just going to use a little bit of geometry. So if the area of a circle is this, and then the area of half a circle, then the area of half a circle, or half the area of a circle, would be 1/2 pi r squared, wouldn't it? And 1/2 pi r squared would be 1/2 pi. R squared is 2, right? No, it's not. Are you kidding me? Pi r squared is, here's our r squared. Sorry, you guys. Forgive me. I'm getting tired. 1/2 pi times 4. 1/2 of 4 is equal to 2 pi. Now, I'm not calling myself a genius by any stretch here, but I'm saying I was damn well smart enough to recognize that I didn't need to use calculus. I was smart enough to stop and take a look and say, you know what, before I start rushing into calculus, because we all want to get started, we want to get this job done. And instead of doing that, we took a second here and we looked at a picture of what we had, and we realized, hey man, this is just a half a circle. I can do this using really, really fundamental good geometry. So I hope this is really helpful, and I hope you're taking a note of it, because all those points that you pick up go towards your grade. So good work.